Hi guys, Mami Park is here. Ayan, just in the balita, no? Nakabalita lang ako, nakasagap tayo ng balita, pero I think legit naman. At isa sa magiging ihahabol ko kasi kaka-upload ko lang po nung sa ating mga questions at mga penalties tungkol po sa ating mga business permits hanggang BIR. So, as of January 8 na nailabas ang ating advisory from BIR to all concerned taxpayers, revenue officials, and employees. Please be advised that effective January 22, 2024, the Bureau of Internal Revenue or the BIR will cease collecting the annual registration fee or ARF from business taxpayers. So tayo yan, mga taxpayers. This change complies with Republic Act number 11976, the Ease of Paying Taxes Act. As a result, business taxpayers are exempt from filing BIR form number 0605 and paying the 500 pesos ARF, no, or the annual registration fee on or before January 31 every year. On or before January 31 every year. Ulitin ko ha. And now, business taxpayer with existing BIR, Certificate of Registration or COR, eto po iyon. Yung inisyu po sa atin nang tayo ay mag-open ng ating BIR ng business natin, no? That includes the registration fee will retain its validity. Halimbawa po, kung nahandito po siyan sa COR nyo, tulad ko po, yung types of forms po na ipinafile ko, meron po akong 1701, 1701Q, 0605-2551Q. Okay? Makinig mabuti. Ayan. Will retain its validity. These taxpayers may choose to update, replace their COR at their convenience. Okay, ang ibig pong sabihin, pwede po nating i-update or palitan kung saan po tayo makakaginhawa. This can be done at the Revenue District Office where they are registered on or before December 31, 2024, no? Ang hanggang December 31, 2024. By surrendering their old COR. Sabihin, surrender natin to, papa-update natin kasi tatanggalin na yung 0605 na ipina-file natin yearly, which is the annual registration fee. Kindly take note of these changes for your compliance. Issued on January 8, 2024 in Quezon City, Manila, Commissioner of Internal Revenue. So, Tagalogin natin para mas maintindihan natin. Yung mga nagbabayad po ng annual registration fee ng ating COR, ng ating Certificate of Registration na 500, which is ang sad part nito, kakatapos ko lang mag-file at magbayad, no refundable naman. So, hindi refundable pala, sorry, not refundable. Not refundable, di ba? So, okay na lang din, bigay na natin sa ating sambayanan, sa ating bayan. But, this is effective na after the 15 days after the publicity, no? January 8 hanggang after ng 15 days ay effective na yan. So, you can update your COR or your Certificate of Registration kung saan kang RDO, kung saan district ka naka-assign. And then, tatanggalin na nila dito, no? Ipiprint pa rin nila to dahil tatanggalin lang nila yung 0605 na forms na pinafile mo every year. Kasi ako po, ayan po yung form types po na pinafile ko every year and quarterly, ayang 1701, 1701Q, 0605, 2551Q. No, ayan. So, since pupunta rin naman po ako ng BIR sa pagpapasa ng sworn declaration and inventory list, isasabay ko na. Okay? So, para maalis na. By next year, hindi na ako pa-file at hindi na rin tayo magbabayad kasi free na. Okay? So, salamat naman kahit paano nabawasan ang ating gastos. However, ako ngayong year na to, instead na hindi naman refundable. So, kaya nakapagbayad na ako, nakapag-settle na. Okay? So, magandang balita po iyan, no? Napakaswerte ng mga bagong taxpayer, no? Bagong open. So, nabawasan ang ating mga pina-file na forms. Okay? So, this is Mami Park and this is Team Park. Bye!